Hey y'all, I'm gonna jump straight into it. Today's video is sponsored by Lockbraids. They sent me 3 bundles of their 26-inch human hair crochet locks. This hair, first of all, I'm so glad that somebody finally came out with some locks with some human hair, because honestly, I'm not a big fan of crochet, especially crochet locks. I feel like they don't look natural, but these, oh, they look natural and they save you so much time. Like, at this point, what's the point in wrapping the locks yourself? Because these soft locks are starting to look way more natural than they did in the past. But yeah, anyways, this hair is 26 inches. It's 3 bundles. Each bundle has 24 locks. This hair is very soft. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie, when I first looked at it, when I washed it, I was like, how am I gonna maintain all of this curly hair in here? Like, is this gonna tangle? But absolutely not. It was very soft, which you guys will see. I also got 1 bundle of their 18-inch Spanish curl bulk hair, and I got this bundle so that I can add some extra curls to the top of my locks. They included a couple of cute little items in the packaging. They included some clips, a crochet needle, some accessories, an edge brush, and a comb. No matter what, I always make sure I soak my hair in shampoo and vinegar for at least 15 minutes. So that's what you see me doing here. The vinegar just helps to offset the weave smell, which wasn't bad, but I just wanted it to have a very clean and fresh smell. So I had 2-strand twists in before I did this style, so I had to remove those and wash, condition my hair, and blow dry it. I do have a video showing this if you want to check the description box. This is what the hair looked like the next day after air drying all night. All I put on it after I washed it was some mousse and conditioner. The hair was super soft and really defined. I suggest y'all go ahead and prep out your bulk hair. Separate that out into whatever size pieces you want your curls to be. This will save you a lot of time throughout the installation process. This is my little setup. I'll link this mirror attachment down below just in case you guys want to purchase it. Alright y'all, it's finally time for us to get started. So the first thing I always do is part my hair straight down the middle. Then what you're going to see me do is part from ear to ear. I did 3 rows below the ear and then moved on to the front. I already knew that I wanted 5 rows on each side of my middle part, so I went ahead and parted those sections out first. Alright, so once you have your section ready, all you do is add you a little bit of gel if you want to, and then plait it. Some people go all the way down. Today I will not. I wanted to get all my parting out of the way first, just so I can just keep it moving. So I went ahead and just plaited down a few inches and then moved on. Alright y'all, this is how my parts turned out. Pretty decent, I feel like, for me to have done it myself. I made sure I didn't make them too small because I do not want these locks to be heavy. Alright y'all, let's move on to the next step, which is attaching the lock. So first things first, I'm going to bring this braid down a couple more inches. From here, what you're going to do is take your crochet needle, stick it through the loop, and attach it to one of the 3 legs of your braid. And now you're just going to continue to braid all the way down. Alright y'all, now that we have the locks installed on our entire head, I'm going to show you how we wrap. So, what you're going to do is take this end right here and crochet it back up into the top of your braid. From here, I'm taking my human bulk hair and adding that to the top before I begin wrapping. The hair that I use to wrap the lock is human spring twist hair. You do not have to use human hair. They have spring twist hair at the beauty supply store if that's what you prefer. When wrapping this hair, I just make sure the first inch is tight and neat, and I don't care about the rest. I just wrap. This spring twist hair is hair that I already had previously. If I was purchasing more, I would definitely get a longer length. Because these pieces were so short, I did have to add about 3 to 4 for each lock. I felt like it would have went a lot faster and been a lot easier if the hair was longer. These very small strands at the end of the hair are key in order to keep the lock from unraveling. Make sure you are wrapping until you cannot wrap anymore. Those little strands will lock it in place. I ended up using almost 3 full bundles of these locks. I had about 8 locks left and I feel like it was perfect. These locks were not heavy, but I could see them getting heavy if I would have used even just a little bit more. So I would suggest you sticking within the 2.5 to 3 bundle range. So maybe this part size or even just a little bit bigger. Alright you guys, this is the final look. Super cute, super natural looking. I'm about to show you guys a few different ways that I like to style my locks. And I just can't get over the fact that these are crochet. This is crazy. They are super cute, super natural looking, and I just can't imagine how they're gonna look when they get old because they already look super cute. Make sure you guys check out Lockbraids and use my code CC20 for 20% off your order. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!